I'm Rachel and I am the CRO Manager here at connective3. Are you currently doing any A/B testing on your website? If you're not, then I definitely recommend it as something that you look at or at least investigate this year. There are quite a wide range of tools on the market. They're varying in functionality, in costs, but if you have got Google Analytics set up, then the likelihood is that you're probably going to have Google Optimise and at least have the basic access to that. And that is really all you need to get started, to kind of start seeing them little wins and to start getting to grips with A/B testing and what kind of rewards it can give you in terms of additional revenue, but also learning them key behaviours about your users as well. So Google Optimise has got a fairly easy interface. You've got different components on the page and you basically need to be able to complete all the different components for you to be able to put your test live. So some of the main elements that you will have on that page is the variations. So you'll probably work with your design and dev teams to be able to complete these, make sure that they look as you expect, make sure that they work properly before you obviously put them live. You've got the audience section and kind of targeting, so you can target your tests to either everybody or segments of users. So this could be mobile use, it could be PPC traffic. The list is kind of endless. There's a lot of advanced stuff you can do when you kind of get to that stage and you've done maybe covered off some of the basics. And then you can also look at goals and objectives. So obviously it's important to understand if your test has been successful and kind of how you monitor that, and then for future iterations as well. So once you've completed a test, what are you going to do off the back of the test to continue seeing success and to continue learning about your users and what works for them and what can improve them conversion rates on your website. So if you head to our blog, you will be able to see a step-by-step guide. So this will just give you a little bit of an introduction to Optimise, kind of as we've just discussed, but it will also cover some of the basics so you can really work out where you can start. This should hopefully give you some inspiration of some ideas that you could look to do on your website, but alternatively feel free to message us and we can talk to you about potential strategies and areas of opportunity on your website.